Hey, I'm Stuart Hetherington, founder and CEO of BleepSleep DreamPort. We're here today to discuss tube management with your DreamPort Sleep Solution. The DreamPort is a different interface than anything that has come out on the market before. It's not a true nasal mask and it's not a nasal pillow mask. And the tube management is critical to helping you get a better night of sleep. For a lot of people that like the tube direction down their body, that's a no-brainer in this situation. So I'm going to connect the Dreamway to the DreamPorts. In this case, if I want to sleep on my side, the tube will just naturally drape straight down, like so. If I'm on my back, it can lay just like it is. But for those of you that like the tube coming over the top of the head, if you don't have a headboard, you can use two pillows and pitch the tube between the two pillows so that the tube lays off to the side of the pillow next to you. And that's completely out of your body movement. So you can lay on your side. You can rotate over. The pillow will switch. You can actually drape this over the top of the headboard as well, like so. So it's like this. And again, what's cool is there's no weight here, even with the tube resting beside my shoulder. It's not pulling the DreamPort down onto my lip. But if I wanted to turn, it's staying out of my way. And again, you have free movement of my arms. And these are 3 tips for tube management to help you get a better night of sleep with Bleep. Sweet dreams.